Hey everyone, this is the Rust beginner tutorial video. I'm going to create a simple fitness tracker app, a CLI app for the example. The goal is not about creating the app, focus on the language and the syntax for the beginners. So we're going to start by creating a hash map for storage to store exercise names as the keys and the corresponding number of repetitions as values. So in Python we would use key value pairs in the dictionary, but with Rust I'm going to use a hash map. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. First I'm going to set up our program and then going to create a hash map to store exercises and repetitions, and then we're going to create main loop so to keep the program running until the user decides to exit. And then number 3 is like we're going to display the menu to the user's options to view, add, update, delete or exit, and then we're going to get the user input and then we're going to handle the user choices. So if user want to view the exercises, we're going to give you the user the updated exercises, and then we're going to, if the user chooses to add an exercise, we're going to ask the exercise name and the number of repetitions, and then we're going to add it to the tracker. And if the user chooses to update an exercise, we ask for the exercise name and find it in the tracker, ask for the number of repetitions and update it. And if the user chooses to delete an exercise, we ask for the exercise name and remove it from the tracker. There's one. And then if the user want to exit, we're going to break the loop and exit the program. This is one of my favorite features of Rust. This is a unique feature compared to other languages. Rust is focused on safety, and explicitness is reflected in this kind of design choice.